Welcome to the potential of cryptocurrency trading. In the fast evolving world of finance, cryptocurrency stands out as a revolutionary force. Yet, for many aspiring traders, stepping into this vibrant market can be daunting. But fear not. Today, we'll embark on an illuminating journey to uncover the vast opportunities that crypto trading offers. Imagine tapping into a realm where digital currency transcends borders, enabling financial growth like never before. Throughout this tutorial, we'll guide you through the basics and delve into strategies tailored for budding and intermediate traders. Get ready to unlock the secrets of the trade, empowering yourself with knowledge and tools to navigate the exciting challenges ahead. Stay with us as we explore this frontier together, opening doors to new financial possibilities. From grasping concepts to implementing strategies, your trading journey begins here. Now, let's dive into the essentials and set the foundation for your success in the cryptocurrency market. Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency. Before you jump into trading, it's essential to first understand the basics. So, what exactly is cryptocurrency? Imagined as digital money, it operates on a technology called blockchain, a decentralized ledger that records transactions globally. No banks, no intermediaries, your transactions are peer-to-peer. Now, let's delve deeper into how these digital currencies function. At its core, cryptocurrency leverages complex algorithms to secure and verify transactions. This intricate math, known as cryptography, establishes trust in an otherwise trustless environment. There are several key terms you need to grasp. Think of coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum. These are types of cryptocurrency. Blockchain, the invisible spine of crypto, ensures that every piece of digital currency is accounted for, preventing duplication or fraud. Another term you'll hear often is wallet. This is your personal storage for cryptocurrency, similar to a bank account, but digital. With a strong grip on these basics, you're better prepared to navigate the trading landscape. Building this understanding paves the way for more informed decisions and long-term success. Stay tuned as we guide you through setting up your trading account, ensuring you're well prepared for your exciting journey ahead. Welcome to the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading. In this segment, we're diving into the essential first steps. Before you embark on your trading journey, first set up your trading account, your gateway to the crypto markets. A secure, trusted account is crucial for all trading activities. Next, explore how to choose the right trading platform. With a multitude of options available, selecting one that aligns with your trading style and goals is vital. Finally, familiarize yourself with basic trading tools essential for making informed decisions. Each tool serves as a stepping stone in your trading education, ensuring you're ready to analyze market trends, execute trades, and monitor your investments effectively. With these preparations, you're setting the stage for a knowledgeable approach to trading. In the following segments, we'll delve deeper into market analysis, strategies, and risk management to build your confidence and skills. Let's get started on this exciting journey into the cryptocurrency trading arena. Welcome to the world of market analysis, the cornerstone of successful trading. As we venture further into this segment, let's demystify the critical tools of analysis and how they guide us in the volatile cryptocurrency market. First, we delve into technical analysis. This is your compass, allowing you to navigate through the market's intricate pathways by examining the detailed patterns like charts and price indicators. Think of it as learning to read a map that reveals potential treasure. Next, we look at fundamental analysis. This involves diving beneath the surface to understand the economic and financial factors that affect the crypto's intrinsic value. It's akin to uncovering the underlying strength in a currency based on real-world utilities and global market news. These two analyses paint a comprehensive picture of the crypto landscape, empowering you to make informed, strategic decisions. Understanding market trends completes this trifecta, offering insights into future movements by observing the past. Identifying these trends can be the difference between capitalizing on an opportunity or watching it fade away. As you master these tools, you'll build a robust framework for your trading strategy, paving the way to greater success in your trading journey. In our next segment, we'll explore specific trading strategies, delving into the methodologies that cater to your trading goals. Stay tuned as we transition into discovering the styles and approaches that define successful traders. Welcome to the heart of our journey, trading strategies. Whether you're a day trader, swinging from highs to lows, or a long-term investor looking to hold steady, the strategy you choose can define your success. Let's explore strategies tailored to meet your unique trading goals. Day trading involves precision and fast moves. It's about buying and selling within the same day, requiring a keen eye on market trends and timing. Meanwhile, swing trading is a dance to the rhythm of the market, holding on to assets for several days or weeks to capture peak swings. It's about patience and reading the waves that others miss. For those with a long horizon, long-term investing offers the potential to grow wealth over time, banking on market stability and broad economic trends. Which style fits your personality and goals? In this segment, we're going to dig deeper into each strategy, uncovering their strengths, challenges, and potential rewards. Aligning your personal trading goals with the right strategy enhances your ability to succeed. Remember, no single approach is one size fits all. As you navigate the trading landscape, finding a strategy that suits your rhythm is key. Up next, we'll explore risk management, equipping you to protect your investments and thrive in the world of cryptocurrency trading. In cryptocurrency trading, risk management is not just an option, it's a necessity. Think of it as a safety net for your investments. Imagine having a strategy that holds you steady amidst market fluctuations. That's the beauty of setting stop-loss orders. It acts like an emergency brake, preventing potential losses from spiraling out of control. Another key aspect is diversification, slicing your investments across different coins, so the rise or fall of one doesn't dramatically shift your overall portfolio. These measures help shield your investments from unforeseeable downturns and embrace the volatility that comes with the territory. Effective risk management ensures you're not just prepared, but positioned to thrive. As you learn to embrace these protective strategies, remember, the calmer your approach, the more assured your journey in crypto trading will be. Stay tuned as we dive into the common challenges faced by traders and how best to navigate them, ensuring your path is smooth and informed. Trading can test even seasoned investors. One of the greatest challenges is navigating crypto market volatility. Prices can swing wildly in short periods, making it crucial to remain level-headed. Emotional trading is another pitfall. It's easy to let emotions dictate decisions, leading to costly mistakes. The key is to stick to your plan and manage emotions thoughtfully. Staying informed is vital in this fast-paced environment. The market moves quickly, and missing a critical update can impact trades. Leverage reliable news sources and continually educate yourself about trends. By acknowledging these challenges and employing targeted strategies, you can enhance your trading experience. Up next, we'll motivate you to start trading. Knowledge is power, and you're now equipped to enter the arena confidently. Remember, every trader faces obstacles, but with the right mindset and tools, you can navigate the crypto world with foresight and success. Let's explore how to take your first steps. We've journeyed through the intricate world of cryptocurrency trading, uncovering each layer of its vast potential. You now understand its basics, from fundamental concepts to market analysis and diverse trading strategies. You've seen how risk management can safeguard your investments, and you've been empowered with solutions. Now, the torch passes to you. It's time to step onto the trading floor with confidence. Remember, every successful trader started where you are today. The knowledge you possess is your greatest asset. Begin by choosing a reputable platform and opening your first trade. Let your curiosity guide you. Use the strategies we've discussed to carve your path in the crypto market. This is your call to action. Take what you know and turn it into tangible results. The cryptocurrency market is vibrant and full of opportunities. Your trading journey starts now. Take that first step. Embrace the possibilities, keep learning, and adapt with the market. The future belongs to those who dare to take action today. Thank you for joining us on this educational adventure. We hope it has provided guidance and inspiration to thrive in crypto trading. Remember, the market never sleeps. Opportunities are always just around the corner. Happy trading, and may your journey be prosperous and rewarding.